Hello, I'm going to show you how to get free hotspot on your Chromebook. So this is similar to the Android tutorial that I have. The link for that will be in the description, but the method is a little bit different. First thing you want to do is you want to press Control Alt T and all at the same time. Once you do that, type shell and then type in sudo I'm drawing a blank here for a second. If config, and then if you're on Wi-Fi, you do WLA, so basically WLAN 0. If you're on like your LAN connection, like if your computer is plugged in to an internet with a yellow cord or whatever, internet cord, you won't type WLAN, you'll type ether with a 0. And then you're going to down the interface, okay? You might want to do some research to see the exact spelling on that. Just look up how to change your MAC address via command line, and there'll be instructions on that. All right. Once you do that, you press enter. After you do that, you want to type in the same thing except without the WLAN part. Now, the good thing about this is there's copy and paste, and it doesn't matter if you have a space in front, where most of the time it does. All right, so you want to WH ether and then type in a MAC address. Now, I already did this a bunch of times. I keep doing it, so I'm going to just copy this MAC address that I previously had and just alter it a bit to save some time on this. And the thing about MAC addresses is they are like A through F or E and 1 through 9. So there's certain ways, like certain MAC addresses that are real and fake, and you have to do a right one. So anyway, press enter. There, now I've spoofed my MAC address, and I'm gonna do the same thing as the top one, but I'm gonna up the interface. So basically turn it back on. Once it's upped, you're gonna want to make sure you're in a connection area with a Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot, and there you go. Normally they make you pay or be a customer for this. So now that you change your MAC address, you're gonna go click sign up. Oh wow, I guess it didn't work that time. Sometimes it's weird on the Chromebook and it doesn't change. So we're gonna do this real quick one more time. Oh, I think I already used that B3. That's why. Okay, my mistake. I don't do one that I for sure haven't done. B9. We're gonna up the interface again. Up it. All right. And proceed to what we do. Alrighty. Now I can do it. Now you can only do this every hour. Once your hour expired, it's going to require you to do this all over again. In order for this Control Alt T thing to work, you have to enable developer mode on your computer or your Chromebook. And I'll put a link in the description on how to do that. Somebody else has a very good tutorial on that. So otherwise, Control Alt T will not work. You don't want to put your real email address because if you do that, you're going to get spam. Click you accept. So this is free hotspot on the Chromebook. There you go. And you get another hour. All right, see that thing on the exclamation point disappeared from the Wi-Fi signal? That means I'm in, and to prove it, there we go. It loaded. And so that's your proof.